What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 10 unboxing. I do not have every single item I got, but unfortunately I don't have enough time to be waiting around for this insane shipping that has been going on right now. This stuff did come in, but luckily the stuff I'm waiting on is like a duplicate of what I already have here, so you're not really going to be missing out on anything. Like I said, shipping has been outrageous for Supreme, as everybody knows, but with everything going on in the world right now, you really can't complain. Can't really wait around any longer, so we're just going to do the unboxing right now. So I guess I'll start off with the smallest item. I was not able to block out my addresses yet, so hopefully you guys aren't seeing anything here. But let's just cut this right open and see what we got in the first, which I think I know what this one. Yeah, get that to the side, make sure there were no stickers, even though I highly doubt there were other ones than the box logos. But we got two box logos right here, and then the packaging on this is sick. We got the DeBoss glass ashtray in the clear colorway. I believe I got two clears. I think I was going for both, but I accidentally messed that up and got two clears. This is actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Open this up and see what it looks like, and let's hope that it is not broken. So this packaging job, they really outdid themselves, and here it is. Dang, this is so sick. Hopefully you can see this in the camera right now. This is awesome. I love this. A lot bigger than what I thought. It's still pretty small though, but it's a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Don't really have too much more to say about this, but yeah, DeBoss glass ashtray. I think that's what the name was. I already forgot what it was, but yeah, I'm just hyped that it was not broken, because I have very bad luck when breakable things come in the mail. Can't get that back in there, so I'm just going to set that there, and we're going to move on to the next thing. Don't know where they put my address on this one. Alright, looks like this is a bit of a different skateboard shipping box than what they normally use. It looks like, there's gotta be, which is weird, because isn't this deck supposed to be smaller? Alright, so I'm struggling to get this open. I really don't want to cut the graphic, because I don't know how they have this package in here at all, so I do not want to cut anything. Alright, I'll just set that right there. Okay, so we got some paper. Oh, this is so sick. Wow, this is so sick, guys. Check this out. The Motion logo cruiser board. Dang, this is so sick. So I did get this in the black colorway, and I actually got two of them in the black colorway, but that's another one of the things that I am missing is another skateboard. So just pretend I got two of these for this unboxing. I have another ashtray coming as well, but they're just not here yet. But yeah, both skateboards got in black, and this is so sick. I'm actually really hyped I was able to get black. I mean, obviously it's smaller than the regular skateboard, but I don't know why they still put it in like in a different box. Oh, but we got two stickers as well. Two of the red box logos as usual. Make sure I didn't get a dino one, because still need that dinosaur sticker. I mean, I've already said it was sick like 12 times, but yeah, I just love this. I'm so hyped I was able to get this and did not have to pay resale, even though I have no idea what resale is even looking like on these things. I wanted to try to get black and blue, but again, kind of messed everything up. Only got two blacks, but I mean, I can't really complain on that either. I'm so hyped I was able to get both of the skateboards I wanted this season. Moving on to the last part of the unboxing, which isn't really the best. I was going to say I saved the best for last, but this isn't really the best. I'd probably say the Motion logo was the best. Some people might think this is the best, so I saved it for last. Let's hope for some odd reason we got the dino sticker. Not looking too promising. I don't even think we got a red box logo in this one. Oh, we did get two red box logos in here. Then we got the cutout box logo right here. This is a lot lighter than I was expecting it to be. A lot of people say it's a box logo, a lot of people say it's not. So regardless, we got the cutout logo crew neck. It was supposed to be lavender, but instead they gave us this Barney purple, which ruined it. I wasn't really paying attention, even though in the live cup I did say I think they changed the color. I didn't really have time to go in and choose a whole new color. I was already committed to the purple. That is the one that I got, was the purple. Definitely going to be selling this, because I do not want this whatsoever. In person, I'm not even really liking it, to be honest. You can barely even see the Supreme cutout. Honestly, I would say this kind of looked better in pictures than it did in person, just at first glance. I'm not going to open it, so I'm trying to sell it. I thought I said something else for a second. I can't really break it down more. Not really a big fan of this piece, if I'm just being honest. The sticker still says it's violet, even though this is not the exact violet. It was like a way lighter purple, which looked way better than this did. But yeah, here's one last glance of it. I don't even know if you'll be able to see the logo or not, but it just has the Supreme box logo kind of cut out looking thing right there in this Barney purple color. So yeah, not really a big fan of this piece at all, but that is everything I got for week 10. We got two ashtrays, two Motion logos, and the box logo. So pretty decent week. I am very hyped that I got everything, but like I said, we're just waiting on the ashtray and the skateboard again to come in the mail. But I just wanted to do the video because I figured there'd be no point waiting, since it's the same exact item. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Drop a comment down below, because I will be replying to basically everyone that comments. I try my best to reply to everyone, so if you drop a comment, you'll probably get a reply from me. But this was a pretty quick unboxing, but I still hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I'm out.